Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about Photoshop. I will guide you from scratch to the professional level. And if you are new to this software, you can follow my channel by subscribing. So in this tutorial, I'm going to give you a brief overview about the basic things that you should know and customize before you start working. Here, for instance, you want to create a new document. I come up to this button New and I press it. Then in this window you can adjust many things like the size, orientation of your paper, resolution, color mode, and the unit that you want to set. So for example here for A4 paper I enter 297 and for the height I enter 210. So if I click right over here, you will see that the orientation changes to the horizontal part. So if you want the vertical one, you can just click on the vertical part and then the Photoshop automatically changes. Or even here you can change your units to centimeter or millimeter, it depends to the size that you want. Then here for the resolution, it can be started from 72 or 150 or 300 or even 600. It depends to the quality that you want. So for now I leave it on 300. Then here again you can leave it on the RGB color, otherwise you can set it on grayscale or bitmap. So for now I leave it on RGB color and then I hit create. Now you have horizontal A4 worksheet. Now here on the left hand side in this skinny panel, as you see right here, this skinny panel is tools panel, and these have many features that you will learn at the next tutorial. On the upper side we have the menu bar where you can find more options and customize your documents in various styles. Then we have the option panel below of that. On the right hand side we have panel dock. So now you can open the window tab. You can come over to the window tab and you can open it and scroll down to the workspace and select essentials. It has some other options like 3D, graphic, and web, motion, and so on. But in this tutorial, I select essentials as a default option, as it is. Then you can customize interface color if you don't like the color. So you can come up to the edit on the menu bar and scroll down to the preferences and select interface. Now it's on dark gray. Let's change it to black or lighter. Even you can change standard screen mode. Then I hit OK. But you don't need to learn every part, no worries, and it will help you to focus and improve on some parts and some specific tools and settings that you will face with in the future. If you need more help, just comment below and I will try to include more descriptions about settings. Do not remember to subscribe and thank you.